Hello everyone, this is Daniel from Onboardbase. In this video, I will walk you through the process of integrating Onboardbase into your Django project. Stay with me and let's dive right into it. We are expected to have a base Django project all set up for this integration. This is a quick walkthrough of how my project looks like. I have a Django board here, which is the name of my project, and also I have an env file here, and also I have a gitignore file. Lastly, I have a repository where I push and pull my code from. Let's quickly cross-check if our project is working fine. And now I have my server on. For me to confirm, I just need to right-click on the localhost here to confirm. And this is the local server working fine. Let's move on. Now that we have our project folder all set up for integration, we need to install Onboardbase. You can quickly check our past videos for the installation process, or you can also check the documentation for the installation process. For those who have already installed Onboardbase and have an account with us, and move on. Let's quickly check the version of Onboardbase we have installed. Quickly, Onboardbase, that's that version. Check. And yeah, we have Onboardbase CLI version 1.3.9 installed. We are good to go. So in our project folder, we have to set up Onboardbase. The first thing we need to do is type in Onboardbase login. So we have to log in first before we can do anything. We said scoop login to current directory or override the global login. So I'll scoop login to current directory. Yes, click on yes. Enter your email address and we just have to check our mail. Click on the confirmation link. So you click on which organization you want to use. So I'll be using the test new organization, and I think that's done. Okay, authentication successful. The next thing we need to do is to set up Onboardbase. So we quickly type Onboardbase setup. It's going to fetch every project under the test setup. So yeah, and we have the key project. So let me quickly walk you through on how I did that. So yeah, this is my test new organization, and inside the organization I have already created a new project called keys. So you can as well go back and create your new project with any name you want. So you can name it keys, secret keys, and add your description. Also, it will be environmental variables because we are going to be adding it to the code base. I'm not going to do all this anymore because I already have keys there as my project. In my terminal here, I'll just select keys, development. Would you like to save Onboardbase YML to yes? And we are all set up. The next thing we need to do now is hide our secrets in Onboardbase and then build it into our project. So we are going to be hiding the secret keys. So I'll copy this secret key here. So due to the fact that this is just a test project, I'll just leave it this secret key open. You can see it because it's not a live project. So your browser, just need to click on keys, then add the value there. Then the name would be secret keys. Copy the name here and paste secret keys there. For now, we leave the comment blank to save. You can see we have successfully added the secret keys. So how can we include this in our code base? You see, we get a mail from Onboardbase telling us that we updated the keys. Okay, the first thing you need to do is import OS. After importing OS, we are going to then add the keys from Onboardbase. So it will be os.get.env. Then the name of the keys we added, which is secret key. We'll paste that in the os.get.env and we are good to go. Save your work and successfully hide our secret. You can also hide other things and yeah. So if you have any API keys again you want to add, you can just quickly add new one here, then give it a name and a value. For now we are just going to be hiding the secret keys. After setting Onboardbase into our project, we now have to build our API keys in the project. So how can we build the API key? So if you look at the documentation in the Django section, you would actually find the Django tutorial here. So we are actually following the same process which is written here. So for us to build, we have to use the Onboardbase build .c then python manage.py run server command. To copy this, the link to this tutorial would be in the description so you can check it out. So in my terminal, I'll just paste that in here. Onboardbase build .c python manage.py run server. So once I run my server, it will build API key. Wait for it to load. So the server is on and it has built my secret keys from Onboardbase into the project. Let's quickly check our browser and confirm. So you can see everything is fine after integrating Onboardbase, and this is just how easy and fast it is. So for those who would love to read the documentation, you can actually just check the docs for the tutorial also. This is it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel for more.